Hi everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new here. I'm going to be doing a full face of Lancome makeup. So I don't have every single product such as blush or highlighter, but I do have a handful amount of products from Lancome. They have kindly gifted me a bunch of products, so I'm going to put that to full use and show you guys a full face of Lancome products. So the first product I'm going to go ahead and use is this primer. It's the priming serum. It's a 24-hour hydrating solid smoothing primer. The packaging is literally like so luxurious. It's a compact mirror and it also has like a little spatula you can use. So at first when I opened it, I thought it was like a cushiony like product, but it's kind of like a wax or like a cream based product. So I don't have any brow products from Lancome and I decided to just go and use my regular old brow gel. Okay, this is brand new and I just feel so bad for like scooping into it. So I'm not a big primer person. I just don't really see the use or like point of it. I'm gonna bring out my little vintage hand mirror my aunt gave me. And yeah, let's see how creamy this is. It kind of reminds me of the e.l.f. putty primer, but this is definitely like more hydrating and more creamy. The primer's on and it looks very glowy as far from like what I see. I do think it might have blurred a little bit. Now that the base is ready with the primer, I'm going to go ahead and use the foundation. This is the Tint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation and it has sunscreen in it. And I'm just going to use a sponge to just apply it on. This foundation is slightly too light for me right now, but that's because I'm very tan this year, but it's a very perfect shade when it's like winter or springtime. So my foundation is on. Obviously, it's too pale for me right now, but my camera has seemed to glitch or something because it shut off. So it cut off like some of my footage, which literally made me so mad. I'm gonna go in with the concealer now. This is the Tint Idole Ultra Wear Concealer, and I'm gonna use this one to bronze up. It's a very liquidy concealer, I'll say that. Another concealer I could compare this one to is the Armani Luminoso Concealer. I just think it's a very like similar formula. So I put on the concealer. I do think it blended out very well with the primer. One thing I did notice with the primer though with the foundation, I don't know if it's my issue from blending or like it was already starting to separate, but it was around my mouth and I had to like really go in with the beauty blender to like really just get that seamless blend. So now I'm going to use the darker shade of the concealer. My skin is begging for like some warmth. So I normally don't use concealer to bronze up my skin, but since Lancome sent me one, I'm like, why not? Let's try it out. But I'm just putting little dots because this stuff is very pigmented. Also, my viewfinder is literally dark right now, like I don't know why. But it's really bringing in that warmth that I really am needing for my skin. Okay, so this time my camera decided to overheat. Okay, so I turned it off and now it's like working fine. But I don't know what is going on, but that thing is overheating and like being ridiculous. But the sun is out now, it's like some other spot. Anyways, I feel like I'm bronzing up, but it's still like giving me like, I don't know what, like I look too pale right now. So I'm just gonna add some to my sponge and I might add some bronziness to my jawline. I'm just gonna apply some blush. Unfortunately, I don't have a Lancome blush, so I'm just gonna use a blush I have. I'm gonna put some cream blush. So now we have a little bit of blush on, and I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeshadow today because I have this adorable eyeshadow palette that I got. It's the Hypnose palette that they sell, and this is the color combo called French Nude. This is literally perfect for me because this is all I'm going to be wearing all the time. I think I'm going to follow the little pattern here in the mirror and I'm going to use everything that's in here. Let's prep the eyelid with a little bit of concealer before I forget. I have a little bit of concealer on, and I'm going to go in with the base number 1, and I'm going to apply it all over the eyelid. I just applied number 2, which is like a rosy nude pink on the like inner corner upper eyelid, and it kind of looks like a starchy white. So now that we have that on, I'm going to go in with Touch of Light, which is number 3, and that goes on the center eyelid. Okay, so I'm done with the light shades. I'm going to go in with the highlighter part of the eyeshadow palette, which just says number 4, so it's like this dark color, and it goes on the outer corner. Lastly, I'm going to go in with the liner shade, which is number 5, and it's just like a dark brown. I'm going to do it on like my waterline just a little bit. I'm going to go in with the eyelash primer with the Idol mascara. Now that the lash primer is on, I'm going to apply some of the Idol lash mascara. And lastly, all we need is the lip combo of the day, and I'm going to put on this lip liner with this lip gloss on today. This is the La Lip liner in the shade Natural Mauve. So I was struggling to open this for a bit, but I finally got it. My lips are completely dry, so this is not gliding on very well. I'm going to use the Juicy Tubes Original in the shade Spring Fling. This is one of my favorite colors. This is the final look using only Lancome makeup, full face of Lancome makeup, and I think it looks super cute. So a big thank you to Lancome for sending me over all these products, and let me know what you guys think about the makeup products and the makeup look.